Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we will explore NIO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 20th of November, 2024, and we are now here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 29th of October, 2024, our system has identified NIO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.39. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock experienced a decline of 16.96%. This results in an average daily loss of 1% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the lower section of a very broad and weak upward trend in the short term, which may present an attractive buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $4.10 be breached, it will first indicate a slowing rate of increase, but it could also serve as an early warning sign of a potential trend reversal. Analyzing the current 3-month trend, it suggests a possible change of 6.14% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from negative 6.49% to as high as 69.94%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential decrease of 26.13% over the upcoming year, with a possible return spanning from negative 62.56% to 9.15%. This implies a price range between $1.74 and $5.08 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline: Big movements in NIO stock price on Wednesday, moving 12.3% between high and low. The NIO stock price gained 0.237% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 20th of November, 2024, rising from $4.64 to $4.65. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 12.3%, reaching a low of $4.31 and a high of $4.84. The price has experienced significant ups and downs during this period, resulting in a loss of 7.09% over the last 2 weeks. Notably, volume increased on the last day alongside the price, indicating a positive technical sign, with a total of 11 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 90 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $416,680,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $9.57, while the lowest was $3.61. Currently, the price is 51.41%, or $4.92, below the 52-week high, and 93.06%, or $62.34, below the all-time high on January 11th, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO's shares are experiencing volatility following the release of disappointing third-quarter results today, the 20th of November, 2024. The company reported a net loss of 5.14 billion yuan, exceeding analysts' expectations and reflecting a significant decline from last year's loss. Despite achieving record delivery numbers, NIO's revenue fell slightly to 18.7 billion yuan, showcasing the impact of pricing pressures in the competitive electric vehicle market. The guidance for the fourth quarter indicates expected deliveries between 72,000 and 75,000, suggesting growth potential. However, this optimism is tempered by a weaker revenue outlook, which highlights pressures on average selling prices. As such, even with increased sales volumes, the immediate future seems challenging for NIO. In the short term, the stock price is likely to remain under pressure due to these results, as investors react to the widening losses and disappointing forecast. This may lead to a sell-off, as evidenced by the drop in pre-market trading. Longer term, as NIO capitalizes on government support for electric vehicle adoption in China and aims for sustained margin expansion through mass market offerings, the stock could stabilize or recover. Nonetheless, continuous competition and pricing challenges will be pivotal in determining its trajectory. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight rating, accompanied by an upgrade action. On the same day, Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform rating with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, Citigroup assigned NIO a buy rating with a hold action. On that same date, Morgan Stanley assigned NIO an overweight rating with a hold action. Also on the 30th of September, Daiwa assigned NIO a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned NIO stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for NIO. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been observed, and these may impact the near-term development. The NIO stock currently shows a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Nevertheless, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in an overall negative forecast for the stock. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $5.38. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $4.58. A breakthrough above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will produce an additional sell signal and reinforce the overall negative outlook. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, October 2nd, 2024, and since then, the stock has declined by 35.51%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 36 days ago. Bollinger Bands suggested a buy signal 6 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 25 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 29 days ago. The long-term moving average also showed a sell signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 46 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $4.64. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock is subject to significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is deemed to be high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 530 cents between its high and low, which is a change of 12.3%. For the previous week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 6.23%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may signal insufficient profit and the potential for bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 20th of November, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative 290 cents. It's essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $5.02. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NIO encounters its first support level at $4.64. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources indicates a recommendation to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred over 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and we have not established a stop loss. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO exhibits several negative indicators, leading us to believe it will likely continue to perform weakly over the next few days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems suggest that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 21st of November, we anticipate NIO will open down 5 cents, starting at $4.60. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and may you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.